Alright, let's talk normality for a second. And I'll tell you, when I was a student and I saw normality problems, it freaked me out. But it's really not that bad. So the equation that we're going to use looks almost identical to the molarity equation. So I have normal, which is really the same as equivalence per liter. And remember, equivalent has reference to my gram molecular weight, my grams, and then also the valence of that compound that I'm dealing with. So we'll see how that plays out here in just a second. So equivalence per liter is essentially the units for normality. Normality equals grams of my compound over the gram molecular weight, only now I need to divide the gram molecular weight by the valence. And then I take all of that and I divide it by the liters of whatever it is that I'm dealing with, the quantity of solution I want to make. So for this problem, let's look at number 22 on the practice test. So 22 says, what is the normality of 380 grams of H2SO4 in 500 milliliters of solution? So what is the normality, I don't know that, so I put X, of 380 grams of H2SO4 in 500 milliliters, or 0.5 liters. So the piece that I'm missing in here is my gram molecular weight. So I can calculate that H2SO4 weighs 98.08 grams. And then I need the valence. And so when I look at the compound H2SO4, and I'm trying to find from the cations what the valence is, then I can look at hydrogen, which I know has a +1 charge, and I know that there are 2 of them there, so my valence is going to simply be 2. So the valence of this compound I'm dealing with in my equation is 2. So now I just have to do the math. Again, parentheses here first, there should be a parentheses there, work the whole top part out, and then divide by 0.5. So if I do this, I get X is equal to 380 divided by 49.04, is it? Divided by 0.5. Further simplifying that, I get normality is equal to 7.748 over 0.5, or X, and I guess I should have left that an X. X is equal to 15.5. So to report that out, I can say 15.5 and use a big N, and I'm okay. Or I could say 15.5 equivalents, or EQs, per liter. Either one of those examples or answers is acceptable.